To show and use the writing toolbar while using S Pen to text on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Next, tap S Pen. Tap S Pen to text. And then tap the gray on off switch next to show writing toolbar until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, we will try it while using S Pen to text to write something in any text field. As you can see, the writing toolbar icon will appear as you are writing with the S Pen. Tap the icon. The toolbar includes emojis icon to insert emoji, language icon to switch between input languages, spacebar to add space between words, backspace to delete previous character, keyboard icon to switch to regular keyboard, and go or enter to move to the next line or to submit. Given to the function, the writing toolbar makes it easier to control and customize your text input when using S Pen to write. It shows essential functions like emoji, space, and backspace, making handwriting faster, smoother, and more intuitive. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.